video contains awesome life hack selections about how to use a hot glue gun for making cool crafts. Let's make a charming little chick to start with. We'll need 2 pom-poms of different size. We showed a few ways of how to make these fluffy little balls in one of our previous tutorials. Hot glue the pom-poms. Wonderful! The body is ready. Now, make a beak. Drop a little hot glue onto a metal base. A spoon or fork handle will do. Let the glue flow down to form a beak shape. When cool, continue shaping it with your fingers. You can touch the hot gun nozzle to make it smooth. Remove the detail from the spoon. Trim the edge. Make another of the same detail to get the lower beak. Make it smaller. Heat a needle over the gun nozzle. Prick the upper beak to make nostrils. Hot glue both parts. Paint the beak with nail polishes. Done! Make hot glue eyes. One, then the other. Cover the eyes with black nail polish. Hot glue the details to the chick's head. Attach the beak. It looks like a real one. Add the eyes. To make the job easier, hold them with tweezers. What a lovely little chick! If you fasten a carabiner, you can put it on your backpack to wear as a cute keychain. You can make pretty round embellishments to decorate the interior articles. We'll need parchment paper. Take a small piece. Carefully pour the hot glue to shape bead halves. They will look like clear buttons lying on the paper. Cover the whole paper. Prepare a number of nail polishes of different colors. Make sure the glue is hardened and cover the drops in a rainbow of colors. Don't be afraid to put the polish on the paper. These vivid embellishments will help make a smart design item out of a blank mirror. You can use them to decorate vases and different containers. You can use the hot glue gun to help create a cool 3D text effect. Take thick cardstock and foil. Wrap the foil around the cardstock. Smear it with fatty cream. Take the hot glue gun. Don't pull the trigger. Distribute the glue directly with the glue stick. Hold the handle in one hand and push the glue stick with the other. Thus, the glue flow won't stop. It's a more convenient way than writing or drawing with the glue. Write any words or outline any images you want. Wait until hardened. Remove the words. Perfect! It's just what we wanted. You can paint them in different colors and use in scrapbooking. Embellish envelopes, for example. Oh, lovely! It's sometimes difficult to find the right place for the glue gun to keep it at hand, but there's a clever little trick to make it easy. Take a big binder clip and put it in the gun nozzle. It's simple and practical. You can even make a filigree candy dish with the help of the hot glue gun. Do you want to know how? Smear the underside of a bowl with the fatty cream. Fill the bottom with the hot glue. Make a net pattern on the sides. It looks like fish scales. Wait until the glue hardens. Carefully take it off with your fingers. Remove the glue from the bowl. You shouldn't be afraid if it breaks unexpectedly. This is a light and flexible candy dish. You can use it to keep candies or handmade supplies like threads or yarns. We've shown the DIY ideas of hot glue phone case decorating in our earlier videos. Now, we want to share a smart life hack how to make a smooth glue surface. Apply the hot glue to the phone case. The glue hardened unevenly. The surface is not as smooth as we need. Let's correct it. Take a candle. Hold the glue area over the flame. The melting glue flows out to make the surface flat. Now that's better. The glue is smooth. We can continue decorating. Are you about to make a pretty little DIY gift? It's easy if you get the hot glue gun. Take silk threads of 2 different colors and a carabiner. Apply some glue to attach the threads. Wrap them around the carabiner. Place the threads without gaps. Add the glue as far as necessary. Wrap the entire carabiner except the fastener. Hot glue the thread ends. Cut off the excess. Open the carabiner to put on a ring. It'll take you a little time and effort to make this cool keychain. Do you need a suitable container to keep your plastic bags in? Make a funny candy-shaped holder. Mark the cardboard roll size to fit the bags. Cut off the excess. Now, let's see how much fabric we need. Take an extra 4-inch wide strip to imitate a candy wrapper. Trim and melt the edges. Hot glue the fabric strips to the ends. Attach the material to cover the entire roll. Fold the edges to make it neat. Hot glue a ribbon to hang the holder. Embellish the holder with the ribbons. Use the hot glue. Put the bag roll inside the candy. Tie the ribbons on the sides to make it look like the candy wrapper. The amusing candy holder will keep your bags from scattering around. And finally, we'll share an incredible trick you can use in decorating. Embellish some area of a photo frame with small hot glue dots. Draw a floral pattern. Repeat it in the hot glue. Line up another area with the glue. When hardened, cover some part of the frame with the foil. Paint the other side white. We'll get an intricate volumetric texture of different artifacts. We hope this hot glue life hack selection will make your DIY activity easier and give you new ideas for your crafts. The hot glue gun is a great tool that, except for fastening the details, can also be used in creating individual crafts. Write in your comments which hack you will use first. Subscribe to the Troom Troom.
Do it! Prank wars, beauty hacks, magic tricks, we got your back. Tips, bring it in. be bored again. Slime, DIY, always a new surprise. The channel that will blow your mind, blow your mind.